Wagwan! You know what time it is, right? It's time for another video. And guess what? Today we'll be making something a little bit different. Today we'll be making a Sorrel Sangria. Yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so sangria is a cocktail that's usually made with wine, right? So you usually have like wine with some fruits like lime, lemon, and all that kind of stuff there. So yeah, but what I will make today is with fruits you can find here in Jamaica. And you don't have to be running up and like we supermarket or where we get it. Yeah man. Alright, so we're gonna start it off with some grapefruit slices. Alright, so usually sangrias are made bigger, but if you want, this size is perfect. If you want to make it bigger, then so be it. If you have like a group around, then you know, say you use more ingredients, more alcohol, definitely more alcohol. But yeah man, small one like this will work. Alright, so next up, some apple slices. So we're gonna add some wine now. The wine that we'll be using is the Sorrel Wine, which is, I don't know if there's any other companies that create it, but this one is made by Candy's Wines. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Very strong too. Sweet, strong. It's a good mix. I like it. Sorrel Wine. I think that should be good. Alright, so we're gonna add a small amount of sorrel juice. And we're gonna add some peach schnapps for flavor. And top it off with some ginger ale. Okay, so one thing you should know, sangria doesn't really use like ice. Well, you can use ice if you want, it's your choice, but for me, because it's a wine, better if you use like cold fruits or cold juices instead of using like ice in it, because ice is gonna dilute the flavor, and now it tastes nice when they dilute it. Alright, then we can just complete it with a grapefruit garnish. Right, that's it. There you go. There home and you want something simple, nice, fancy, but still not too fancy same way. Definitely recommend this here. Fruity, you know, say definitely good for you. If you like the drinks and want some more, just subscribe to the channel, like this video, you know, click on the bell so that every time I post a new video you get to see it. First one there to watch it, yeah? Yeah man, aight man.